Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Ayur Today we are going to discuss about thyroid problem. Nowadays women are suffering more than men. Hypothyroid is curable with Ayurvedic treatment. Here I want to give you few remedies which will help you to get the relief from thyroid. You can follow any one remedy shown in the video. Take neem oil 2 to 3 drops. Put it in a nostril in early morning. Take 1 spoon of Triphala Churnam. Mix with warm water. Gargle in the early morning. By this practice, you can get some relief in the tonsils. Take Uttareni plant roots. Wash properly with clean water. Strain the excess water from it. Add fresh plain water. Make a thick paste from it. Apply on throat part. Eat 5 grams of prepared paste. By doing this practice till 45 days, thyroid problem will go. Turmeric, black pepper, honey, take equal quantity, mix all together, apply on tonsils. It will help to dissolve. Take 1 glass of warm water, mix with honey, put inside the mouth, do gargling, tonsils problem will reduce. Take mango leaves, grind, make a thick paste, apply on tonsils. It will help to reduce swelling and pain. Ingredients are ginger, lemon juice, pink salt. Ginger increases the digestive fire, stimulates the appetite, detoxification, reduces bloating, it purifies the blood. Lemon juice. It relieves sore throat, helps for good digestion, promotes weight loss. The Himalayan pink salt is full of minerals, iron, calcium. It has many health benefits. It contains 84 minerals. Used to treat of many respiratory diseases like common cold and chest related issues. Natural remedies to cure thyroid. If you are suffering from thyroid throat problem, here is a natural remedy. Take 1 teaspoon of ginger squeeze juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 gram of pink salt. Mix all together. Consume in early morning. Daily, you get relief from throat pain. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do like, share and comment, and this will boost us to do more and more informative videos